So excited to share with you my crunchy Thai peanut salad. We eat this all the time. It's so delicious. We start with the mixed cabbage. I added lettuce this time just because I had some. And of course, the crunchy cukes are always important. Get the small ones. The grated carrots. These are just your basic Thai kind of vegetables. Scallions, cilantro, but you can put whatever you want. I really love the crunch of the red peppers and, of course, some almonds. The dressing's really simple. Rice wine vinegar, some avocado oil, some toasted sesame, raw honey, some garlic, chunks of ginger, nama shoyu, and some cilantro, red pepper flakes, lime, and a big old chunk of peanut butter. Blend that well and pour it over. Remember, you can use this dressing for a lot of different things, but it's super good. This marinates really well, lasts a couple days in the refrigerator, and oh boy, does it taste good. Mmm.